coming here with an overnight problem. I come over and them out a relationship. I'm on through it, Palmy.
You don't worry about that. That's my business.
I was a long time stay, big man, you know.
Let me tell you something. I notice you. You always talk about old. But you see the rate at which you're going, I need for you to know. The rate at which you're going, you will never live to see my age.
Any day see my skin a wrinkle like you, when I drop your bucket of oil off a lane. Me don't know who do you. I want really do you.
You need to take a good look at yourself, and that is what you need to do.
Me, I wonder sometimes if there's an antique store, like I want this all-time center table.
You will never live to see my age, and I need for you to take a note of that. And I rest my case.
You're supposed to rest it a black and white, yeah, we. Right, and then put things to rest.